I'm at the pharmaceutical workshop. They are prepare the machinery. Later, we will begin this test. Okay, this is the liquid tank. Okay. Heat and mixing. Yeah, before we make the granule, we heat it. Okay. Prepare filter bag. Because this is a customer mistake, so the filter bag is shorter. So now they use it for temporary. This is very easy to close it. Close and open. If you want to open, just pull this. Lock. 你是拧紧它是吧？
对。
Okay. Tight it. You see, this is also the mistake use. So also broken. And I use this to repair. Yeah, this is Senieer logo. Okay. The filter bag, filter chamber in the technology era.
你现在这个都是完全是中到位，刚才这种人工表示你先。
Yeah, our engineer guides the customer how to use better.
你先把它升到位，就是全部都到位了以后，我再用人工把它提一点，人工到位就可以了。这是自动的。
Press the lifting button. With automatic lifting design. And the pharmaceutical company manufactures 24 hours, no stop. Yeah, everybody prepare. Rocket. Alright, bye.
这个是挺紧的，会紧，要把这个锁上，锁了以后一松，把这个松掉，看一下它有没有往下掉下来，如果没有掉，已经是锁到位了，知道吧？这个就可以让它。
Check whether the filter bag is down or not.
但是切记，下一次我们要再放松的时候，一定要把这个钢绳绞盘先绞紧，然后再自动放松。那它下来的时候就是平的，平稳下来。就怕你两边松的绳的长度不一样，到时候你那边降的时候，它就高低就不一样了。
我说你那个锁扣全部检查一遍没得，刚刚全部每个人都在上。
检查也没有这个拽了，因为在检查他要掉也没得法的。
不在他们上面你检查没得嘛？Check the filter back.
只要稍微放出去。
就是那边升上去，它只要跟那个气缸连为一体了，这个锁到，
然后有个地方锁。
对，锁上去，你放松的时候它没有跟着往下降，就表示已经锁好。锁好了以后，当我们以后要工作的时候，这个时候必须的这个地方很注意。
Finally they check.
也就是说，现在那个绞盘是空的，对吧？要把它松掉。
这松的。
它有东西的话就怎么做？一旦你不管它，
摆的。This is the powder. We'll charge it. Sealing already. Put the temperature sensor of the product container. Lock the clamp. Connect the pipe.
$30到50度的，我拿这个50到80度的，80到100度的，它哪一个阶段的技术
Check the temperature change is very important. Continue blending and heating. Right now the product temperature is 42 degrees. Within the product temperature rise to the temperature which is suitable for the product temperature. So we begin to spray the liquid. Automatic charging material, vacuum charging.